Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I thought maybe I would experiment and see if this worked out, yeah, pretty much if it works out. I don't know. So I decided maybe I would mix in like foundation Fridays, and I decided to ask everybody on Instagram if they wanted me to do foundation Fridays, and 88% said me and 12% said not into YouTube. So I took the majority of the vote and I decided I would do foundation Fridays. I don't know if it's gonna work out how I am planning, but for what I'm like planning out is to do a foundation Friday every Friday if I possibly can. I don't know if it's gonna all work out. So I decided maybe I'd go on like Instagram and put either 2 foundations and have people say which foundation they want me to review that Friday, or maybe even just say, hey guys, put your opinions in, let me know which foundations you guys would like, and I'll go through and see what everybody says and see if that works out. If not, then I'm not gonna be doing foundation Fridays, but I wanna try it out. I think it sounds pretty fun. I know a lot of YouTubers that do it, and I just wanna jump on the bandwagon, and I love testing out new foundations. I always get requests on foundations. Everybody's always asking me what my favorites are, and I just decided, why not do a Foundation Friday? Without further ado, I'm gonna start doing my first Foundation Friday video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the BareMinerals Bare Pro Foundation. I picked this up just because my sister-in-law says that it's amazing, and I've tried it out before, but I don't really remember it too much. I thought I'd pick it up and do like a full day of wearing it, let you guys know what I think of it, and yeah, she loves it, so we'll see if I like it. This is gonna be the kickoff, I guess. I'm sure a lot of people have already tried this foundation out, but for those of you who haven't and want to know what I think about it, then continue and watch. The claims on here say flawless medium to full coverage, lasts all day, creamy blendable texture for luxurious comfort, stay true mineral pigments designed for all skin tones. It says oil-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. So sounds pretty good to me. I'm excited to try it out. There's SPF 20 in there in case you were wondering. There's 1 fluid ounce, which is the standard foundation ounces. So I started out with a fresh face. I did do a little bit of moisturizer just to give my face a little bit of moisture because it's dry. It's very dry. So what my plan is to do is to prime one side of my face and to not prime the other side of my face, and just see how well it lasts throughout the day. And if I even need a primer, if it applies good, if it lasts. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime this side of my face. This is my dominant side. I'm gonna use the CoverFX Blurring Primer. I love this primer. It's so good. Like, seriously, I put a lot on my finger, but I'm gonna go ahead and just prime this side of my face and see what happens. Okay, so this side of my face is primed, this side is not. So I cleaned my beauty sponge just because I didn't want any leftover foundation on it, starting fresh, so I can get a full, honest review on it and tell you guys what I think. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Maybe I should unlock it first. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my right side first, and hopefully I like the outcome. So obviously the color is a lot darker than my face. I try not to tan my face at all because I don't want wrinkles and I don't want skin cancer on my face. So what I can tell up close is it's got a really smooth finish. Looks really, really pretty. I've got some breakouts right here and it seems to be covering them pretty good. I'm gonna try and see if I can like build it up a little bit more just in my textured areas and see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna grab just like a tiny bit more and see if it's buildable. So it doesn't seem to be having too hard of a time building up, but I can still see some redness peeking through for sure. But as far as I can see, the finish is pretty good. It looks really, really pretty. And the shade isn't too off. It looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the non-primed side and see what I think about it on this side. I know for a fact when I apply that blurring primer right in my T-zone area, I tend to like that, not just because it's like primer, but because it's like filling in my pores. And I just like that effect because I hate when you can see like your sunken in pores on your face, if that makes any sense. I feel like this side looks a little bit darker, but maybe not. I usually don't bring my foundation clear up to my under eye because I apply concealer and I don't want it to look too crazy and cakey underneath there. So far as I'm looking into the mirror, I feel like they look really, really similar. I am having a rough time on this side just because I'm so like breaking out right there, but I'm not gonna be too harsh of a judge over there just because I know I'll really like it when I don't have all those blemishes. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. I want to finish my entire face first and see how it all comes together. It doesn't look cakey in my nose creases, but it's looking pretty smooth so far. So that's what I can say. I'm just like sitting here like dabbing it out still. So, okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and come right back and show you guys what it looks like up close and whatnot with the entire finished product. But right now it looks pretty good other than right here. If you're looking for a really full coverage foundation, I don't think this is like full coverage. It is a little bit buildable, but I've got some really bad breakouts right here and it didn't really cover it up too much, but it did enough for when I'm not like super broken out. I know that it will look good. So I would say it's probably more of like a medium coverage. So yeah, I'll be right back with my full face of makeup. Okay, so I'm back with my full face on. I am really liking it so far. I do not see any type of difference up close with the primed and the unprimed. I'll zoom you guys in so you guys can see my face. So you can't really tell a difference between the primed and the unprimed. Maybe just like a little bit in this region, my T-zone region. I don't have too many complaints. This spot didn't cover. I didn't conceal just because I'm not like too crazy about it today because I just did like a everyday routine type of thing on my face. But I'm not mad at how it looks. It looks really pretty. The finish is super, super pretty and it just kind of looks smooth. It looks really smooth other than this spot because just don't mind that spot. My forehead looks pretty good. I have some like wrinkles right there, but usually I have like some dryness right here. Thankfully, I did some moisturizing before, but it looks pretty good in my forehead region. So I'm happy about that. So usually by the end of the day, these are the areas that I'm worried about. And so that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like record throughout the day how my face is doing and what I think of the foundation. It's not sticky, by the way. It's not sticky at all, feels pretty good. I don't like sticky foundation. I like when it just feels smooth and it's not sticky at all. Okay, so it's 2:39 right now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and film throughout the day, then check in at the end of the night, tell you guys my final thoughts on this foundation. So far, so good, other than this little area. It's definitely not full coverage for me, I would say. Definitely a medium coverage. Looks pretty good so far. So we'll check in a little bit, and I'll tell you guys what I think. Okay, so I'm coming outside because I want to show you guys what it looks like in the sunlight. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks pretty good. Ooh, it's bright. But I just wanted to show you guys a shot of what it actually looks like right after I got it done. Looks pretty good. Okay, I'm in for my first check-in. We're leaving the house right now. It's 4:27 p.m. and Hudson just bumped into my nose, so now I have like a bald spot right here on my nose. But my makeup is holding up pretty good. It's a little shiny down in that region. I haven't powdered or anything, but it's pretty good. Just a little bald spot on my nose. I want to touch up, but I want to keep it real. Okay, I'm just like gonna powder this spot because It looks crazy with like literally no foundation right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. My face is looking healthy. It's looking really good, other than this spot. No like serious creasing. A little shiny underneath here, but it looks really, really good. We're looking kind of oily, especially in these little crevices. But overall, stayed on for a while. It's 8:05 p.m. Still going strong. I'm not mad at how oily it is. I feel like I just kind of look dewy. So I'll check back in at the end of the night. And that'll be my last check-in. So there you go. It's not like separating, but it's looking oily. Hey guys, it is 10:28 p.m. and my makeup is looking terrible because it's been rubbed. It's just rubbed, but it's not the worst that it could be. I would definitely wear this foundation again, but probably not on such a hot day. Today was a really hot day, but overall, still not too sticky. It's just like really, really, really oily in this area. And I don't feel like this side had any difference than this side, the primed side, but overall, the foundation was good. I would give it a thumbs up, especially if you're not like a crazy oily person. It's a good foundation. So didn't have any kind of creasing right here, right there, more just like oiliness. So nothing too bad to complain about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.